Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be celebrating Guyana Independence by making an Dorado Riff on the Painkiller that we'll call the Demerara Antidote. I previously did a tasting of the Dorado 12 and the Dorado 21 Year Aged Rum, which you can watch here. But to see the Dorado in action, let's make a Demerara Antidote. For ingredients, we'll have the Dorado 12, fresh pineapple juice, which you can get by pureeing pineapple flesh and then straining with a cheesecloth, fresh orange juice, squeezed or blended and strained, cream of coconut. I made this with coconut milk and rich simple syrup at a 1:1 ratio, and then added a pinch of salt. Hamilton 151 proof Demerara rum, a powerhouse rum in the Tiki world, and nutmeg for garnish. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, we'll need a few scoops of crushed ice for this one, so gather your Lewis bag and mallet, fill the bag with a dozen or more cubes, depending on size, and smash the cube out of your ice until you feel it's sufficiently crushed. Set it to the side and grab your bar mat, shake your tin, jigger, and start by measuring an ounce of cream of coconut. Add it to your tin. Followed by 3 ounces of pineapple juice, which for me will be divided between a 2 ounce and a 1 ounce pour. Add them to your tin. One ounce of orange juice. Add it to your tin. Three-quarters of an ounce of Hamilton 151 rum. Add it to your tin. And 1.5 ounces of Dorado 12. Add it to your tin. Add a few scoops of ice. And based on the 14-ounce glassware, I find filling the tin about 3/4 or 4/5 full tends to be the sweet spot for not overfilling your glass. Give it all a quick shake for 5 seconds and then open gate pour it into your chosen cocktail glass. And there you have the Demerara Antidote. Can't call it a painkiller outright because that's trademarked by Pusser's Rum. Now let's garnish it with a bit more crushed ice so it's brimming. Some grated nutmeg. A straw for sipping. Pineapple frond for some added flair. And an umbrella so it's unmistakably Tiki. Now that your cocktail is fully dressed, a taste test. Creamy coconut, pineapple, apricot, and citrus round out the sip. Rum is there, but it's balanced out with the sweeter elements of the drink. I'm not a huge coconut fan, but I find the fruity elements of the juice and the rum really balance things out. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a preferred painkiller recipe or alternative? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.